Good morning students. Now in this class of class 9 general mathematics we will discuss the questions based on sphere and hemisphere. Okay, so here last class we discussed all the questions after 13.3. Now here in this session we will start the exercise 13.4. Okay, now what is the first question? Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5. The three questions all are same, but the radius are different. So we'll do only one question. So take a simple example. We'll do the 1 3 simple example because otherwise we'll do lots of calculation. 1 3. So in 1 3, the radius is given. Radius is given r equal to how much? 14 centimeter. And the question is find the surface area of sphere. Therefore, surface area of sphere equal 4 pi r square. Yes, now 4 pi, here pi 22 by 7 and r means 14. 7 2 0, so 88 into 28 square centimeter. So after doing calculation, we got how much? 2464. 2464 square centimeter. Nothing, just use the formula. Radius is given, surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. We can consider a small r also. Small r, capital doesn't matter. So r equal to 14. Replace r by 14. We'll get the answer. Question number 2 same. In question number 1, the radius is given, and in question number 2, diameter given. Okay, now in question number 2 what is given? D given. D equal to how much? D equal to 14 centimeter. So if D equal to 14 centimeter, radius equal to 14 by 2 equals 7 centimeter. Then find the surface area. Surface area equal 4 pi r square. Now 4 pi means 22 by 7, r means 7. So 7 cancel. 88 into 7 is 6. Then 56 plus 5, 6 2 6 1 6. 56. So this is the surface area of the sphere whose radius equal to 7. Got it? So 1 and 2 same. In question number 1, radius is given, and in question number 2, diameter is given. So first of all, from the diameter, in question number 2, from diameter we have to find out the value of r, then use the formula, then we will get the answer. Yes, got it? Now next is question number 3. Question number 3, find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, now here hemisphere, radius is given, radius equal to 10 centimeter. So radius given, find the total surface of hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere. Hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface here 2 pi r square. Total means, in the last class I told you, total means 3 pi r square. So here pi given what? Pi here given 3.14. So 3.14 into r means 10. So 10 square. This is 249. 9.42 into 100. Which implies 942 square centimeter. Yes, 942 square centimeter. So this is the total surface area of the hemisphere whose radius equal to 10 centimeter. Now question number 4. Yes, got it? Here in this session we are trying to finish 13.4. All the questions. There are maybe hardly 9 questions are there, so we are trying to solve all the questions in this session. Then in the next session we are trying to solve all the questions of 13.5 if possible. Then 13.5, 13.6, 13.7, 13.8. So 3 or 4 more classes. Then this chapter will be finished. Then after that we'll do some extra questions. Okay, now question number 4. What is question number 4? the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. So there are two balloons of two different sizes. The first one having a radius 7 centimeter and the second one having a radius 14 centimeter. First we have to find out the ratio of the surface area of two balloons. Means surface area of the balloon whose radius is 7 centimeter and the surface area of the balloon whose radius is 14 centimeter, and then find the ratio. Okay, now here two radius are given. So let which is small, that is small r, radius equal to 7 centimeter, and capital one, it is 14 centimeter. So required ratio. Now listen, here we are going to find a ratio. So that's what I have, a required ratio. So surface area of balloon having radius 7 centimeter, then surface area of balloon having radius 14 centimeter. So surface area of balloon 4 pi r square, here 4 pi r square, 4 pi cancel, that is 7 into 7 by 14 into 14, 2 is equal to 1:4. So answer is 1:4. So this is the required ratio of two balloons. Okay, then next question is, a hemispherical bowl is made of brass, has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of plating it on it inside the rate at 16 per 100 square centimeter. So we have to find out the cost. So that's why before finding the cost, we have to find out the curved surface of the hemisphere. So question of 5. Here radius given. What is radius? Radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. Suppose r equal how much? Diameter 10.5. So diameter by 2 equal 5.25 centimeter. 5.25 centimeter. Therefore, inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area of hemisphere equal 2 pi r square. 2 pi here, pi equal what? 22 by 7. Then r 5.25 into 5.25. So here after doing the calculation, we got it equal to 173.25 square centimeter. So this is the inner curved surface area of the hemisphere, which is equal to 173.25 square centimeter. So after that we have to find the cost also. Now what is the cost? Cost of 100 square centimeter equal to how much? Cost of 100 square centimeter equal to rupees 16. Therefore cost of 1 square centimeter equal to rupees 16 by 100. Therefore cost of how much? This portion. Cost of 173.25 square centimeter equal rupees 16 into 173.25 divided by 100. So here what is the answer? We got after doing calculation rupees 27.72. Rupees 27.72. So this is the cost, total cost. So it is 27.72. Next, question number 6. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area given. Sorry, first let the radius be r. Let the radius of the sphere be r. So according to question, surface area of sphere equal 154 square centimeter. 154 square centimeter. Now surface area of sphere formula 4 pi r square equal 154. Now here pi 22/7 r square equal 154. So r square equal 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. So 22 7 ja, which is equal to 7 by 2 whole square. So r square equals 7 by 2 whole square. So what is r? R equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Yes. So first let the radius be. You can consider small r, capital R, both are correct. Then surface area of sphere 154. Surface of sphere formula 4 pi r square. 4 pi 22/7. R means r 154. Then r equal to 7 by 2. That is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now next question. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of the surface area. Okay. The diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of the earth. So first of all, let the diameter of moon be how much? Oh sorry, earth, first earth, sorry. Earth be x. So therefore the radius of earth b, if diameter x, the radius equal to x by 2. As the diameter of the earth is x, therefore diameter of moon be how much? The diameter of moon is 1/4 the diameter of earth. Yes, the diameter of moon is 1/4 the diameter of earth. So therefore 1/4 of diameter of earth is x by 4. So the radius of moon be half. So x by 8. After that we have to find out the ratio of the surface area of moon to the surface area of the earth. Therefore required ratio equal surface area of moon by surface area of earth. Surface area of moon by surface area of earth. Now surface area of moon, the shape of moon is a sphere as well as the earth sphere. So 4 pi r square, moon radius x by 8. So x by 8 whole square by 4 pi x by 2 whole square. Cancel. This is x square by 64. This is x square by 4. So x to cancel. 4 by 64 equal to 1:16. Yes. So 1:16 is the required surface area of ratio of the surface area of moon to the surface area of earth. a spherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thickness. The inner radius is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface. Okay, now here is spherical bowl given. Diagram. This one. The thickness is given 0.25 cm. The inner radius given 5 cm. We have to find the outer curved surface here. Okay, now outer radius equal. Outer radius means from here to there. So for that to get the outer radius, we have to add the inner radius plus the thickness. So 5 plus 0.25 equal to 5.25 centimeter. So outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area of the bowl equals 2 pi r square. Suppose r. This is capital R because it is greater than the inner. So 2 pi r square. Yes. So this is 2 pi 22 by 7 and r equal to 5.25. 5.25 into 5.25. So here also same thing. After doing calculation, we got the answer 173.25 square centimeter. 173.25 square centimeter is the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Finished. First inner radius given, thickness given. So by adding the inner radius and thickness, we will get the outer radius, that is capital R. Then find the outer curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square. Next question, diagram again. Okay, now this one R, this one R, this one R, and this is the height of the cylinder. So height equal to radius plus radius, so 2r. Yes. So now see, here is the cylinder. Inside it we put a sphere, and the sphere touches the bottom and the top and the edges of the cylinder. So this is the diameter of the sphere. Diameter means radius plus radius, which is equal to twice r, and that is the height of the cylinder, twice r. And for the cylinder and for the sphere, radius is r. So here what is the first question? First question is surface area of the sphere. 9(1) surface area of sphere equal how much? Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. Simple. Then next one is curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Now here 2 pi part r radius and height equal to twice r. So 4 pi r square. And number 3 is what? Ratio. Find the ratio of 1 and 2. So required ratio equal 4 pi r square. Both are same. 4 pi r square. Cancel them. So 1:1. So this is the solution. Here the height of the cylinder is directly not given, but the radius are given, and the sphere touches the bottom and top of the cylinder. That's why the radius or height become double of radius, which is the diameter. So twice r. Then use the formula to get the answer. So that's all. These are the questions of 13.4. In next class, we'll start 13.5 and try to finish all the questions within a single session. Thank you.